Hi everyone, I hope that you all are doing good. I would like to welcome you all in this PeachTree Accounting Basic to Advanced Training course. Now, PeachTree is now obtained by Sage 50, so many of you have listened the name of PeachTree as PeachTree by Sage. So both are the same products. So in these video series, we will learn from basic to advanced all of the functions, including the creation of the company, the chart of accounts, their customizations, and dealing with reports and the day-to-day activities that involve purchase, sales, payments, and receipts. And also we will learn all of these on practical assignments that you will those practical assignments involve those scenarios that you deal with companies in reality that involve a trading company. So our first assignment will be Zan Traders, in which we will create the new company from the scratch. We will enter all the ledgers and their opening balances, and then we will start the business activity and orders, payments, bad debts, returns, each of the activity. After that, we will work on the manufacturing company, in which we will purchase the raw material from the market and then produce finished goods from it. So we will do all of the activities step by step, and don't worry, we will start from very basics and on ground level. So in the next video, I'll explain you some of the features of PeachTree and how to create a new company in PeachTree.